Hello friends and welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, should I be talking about ASUS Strix OLED XG27UCDMG, a comprehensive 27-inch 4K OLED monitor. So friend, the ASUS has announced the 27-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor positioning just below the flagship ROG Swift OLED PG27UCDM. So friend, this model uses 4th generation ROG QD-OLED panel to deliver stunning visual with 116 ppi pixel density, making it perfect for crisp text and sharp graphics, and the ultra high contrast ratio make it ideal for both game and casual use. And standout feature of this monitor, the ASUS OLED Care Pro suite, which include new proximity sensor, and this tech detect when you step away from the screen, the automatically switch to black image to avoid burning, and it's easy to set up and you can adjust the sensitivity of your viewing distance. The firmware will be updated in April 2025 to improve sensor accuracy, and the monitor also features ROG OLED Anti-Flicker 2.0, which help reduce flicker and ensure smooth visual, and specifically during high-speed gaming. And the connectivity features including DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1, USB Type-C port with DP Alt mode with 90-watt power delivery, and the monitor support various devices. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.